Let's go to question number 10,007, minimum domino rotation for each row. This is medium question. Let's get into it. In a row of dominoes, AI and BI represent the top and bottom halves of the ith domino. A domino is a tile with two numbers from 1 to 6, one on each half of the tile. We may rotate the ith domino so that I1 and BI is swap file. Return the minimum number of rotations so that all of value in A are the same while all the value in B are same. If it cannot be done, return -1. Okay, let's check with example 1. Okay, in this case, let's check. I think that this is candidate, right? So first, let's check the 2. 2 here, 1, 2, 3, and then can you swap? Okay, here also has 2, here also has 2. So rotate this one, and then rotate this one. Then we can make all of 2, right? So this time rotation is we need to 2-time rotation. Rotation 2-time. So okay, let's check example 2. Okay, first this candidate is that this is only 3, so this one is okay. But next here there are no 3, so we cannot make the all of 3, right? So return -1. How are we gonna do? That's right. First we find the candidate is this one, and then I will group by each 2, 3, 3, 5, 6, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 4. And then check is there any candidate. If there are no candidate here, and then I will check the here too. Actually this is the same, so let me use another example. And this time candidate is 25, and then checking to first. If it did not make it, I will check the 5. If this one also did not make it, I will return -1. Otherwise I will get maybe the value is length of A. This is same as B, right? Negative max, and then A, I will count candidate, comma B count, because some of them is duplicated, so this is the only way to calculate the minimum rotation. So okay, let's implement the code. First I will do candidate. Candidate is in A0 and B0. Next I will use the all. All means all of valid return true, otherwise return false. So all candidate in couple, and then couple is for in I will use zip A and B. So A1 B1 first, A2 B2 next. So this means the couple, one of them must be the candidate. If this is true, that is what we're looking for. At the time we return maximum is the length of A, and use this one. And then if we cannot find that A as candidate, and then we try to B also, but B also we did not find, return -1. Okay, looks good. Okay, let's check the time complexity. This is the 2, and then at this time all check, just touch the 1 by 1, and then A. So this is not 1-time, 2-time, because if A is fail, A0 is fail, also B0, but this one still linear time, right? And then space, we does not use any space, so linear time need constant space. Thank you.